A lot of people in the kind of Python SEO community will notice that I focus a lot of my learning on pandas and less on the overall framework of Python. This is really deliberate. I think it's a really good exercise to learn how to use Python and build scrapers and things like that. However, learning Python can be tricky. Learning to code can be tricky, and it's not incredibly difficult, but it's not simple and it takes a lot of time. And if you do data analysis on a daily basis, you have a kind of playground there where you understand what the output should be and what it should look like and where the problems are with doing data analysis. And what Pandas allows you to do, and Pandas, for those that don't know, is essentially Excel and Python. It allows you to play in the same playground, but you've got some cool new games to play and new climbing frames and stuff like that. So you already understand like the game. It's just you're changing the tools and how you interact with the game. And I think it's a great place to learn because of that, because it allows you to practice the rhythm of Python and coding, because there's a rhythm to it. You can feel it in your fingers. And you understand what the output's meant to be. So when you get it wrong, you can just go back to the drawing board and be like, okay, what went wrong here? And you can fix it. So I think it's a really good playground to learn how to code and learn Python. And from then on, you can start looking at like, how do I build scrapers? How do I build more automation? So that's why I picked data analysis and pandas to kind of show marketers, like, you can apply this to your job immediately. You can start doing this today. You can open up a CSV file and draw graphs in it today. Whereas building a scraper is a bit more difficult to justify in your daily job if you've got like tasks, if you're working for clients or working in-house and you need to do reporting and do optimization. You can do this all with data analysis and pandas. You can't really justify that building a scraper in your day job. Well, that's not everybody, but that's my opinion. So yeah, that's why I always focus on pandas to begin with. As we evolve the channels and the courses, it will be more Python led. It will be machine learning in the end. So hopefully that helped.